Hello everyone, welcome to BDSK online classes. Myself Sanjay Verma, your science teacher. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about bases. And I hope that all of you feeling well at your houses and takes enjoy in study. Dear students, in my last video I was tell you that bases are those substances that has capacity to give OH minus ion in aqueous solution. Okay, in this video I am going to teach you about properties of bases. Okay, number one, physical properties. Bases have bitter taste. Okay, as you know that acids have sour taste, but bases have bitter taste. Okay, number two, bases turn red litmus to blue. Okay, bases turn blue litmus to red litmus to ब्लू. ये क्या करते हैं? लाल नीलपत्र को हरा कर देते, नीला कर देते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट, बेसेस आर गुड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, मीन्स दे कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन एक्वस मीडियम like acids. Okay, as you know that acids are also electrolyte. As such, bases are also electrolytes, means they can conduct electricity. Understood? The pH of bases is more than 7, means if any substance that have pH more than 7 called as basic in nature. Okay, next, bases are also used in different factories for making bakeries, paper, plastic, nylon, etc. Okay, next is chemical properties. Chemical properties. Chemical properties. Dear students, like acids, bases are also represent following chemical properties. Number one, reaction of base with some metals. Some metals, number one, reaction with some metals. Bases react some metals and form salt as well as evolve H2S. Okay, for example, when sodium hydroxide, that is base, react with zinc metal, formation of sodium zincate and evolution of hydrogen gas takes place. You can see here This is a sodium hydroxide that undergo reaction with zinc metal and form sodium zincate, release H2 gas. Okay, you can simply see here, this is a sodium hydroxide that undergo reaction with zinc metal and they form sodium zincate and evolve H2 gas. So dear friends, you can say that some metals react with base and form salt as well as evolve H2 gas. Okay, next is reaction with base. Sorry, reaction with acid. Reaction with acid. Number 2, reaction with acids. Dear friends, when bases react to acid, they form salt and water takes place. This is called as neutralization reaction. That I was told you in my previous video in property of acids. You can see here, when sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, they form sodium chloride and water. Okay, when sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, they form sodium chloride and water. Okay, due to formation of water, this is called as neutralization reaction, because this is the base, this is the acid. These two compounds change into a neutral substance. Okay, next is reaction with non-metal oxides. Reaction with non-metal oxides. Reaction with non-metal oxides. Dear friends, when bases react with non-metal oxides, they form salt and water. Okay, when bases react with non-metal oxide, they form salt and water. For example, when calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide, they form calcium carbonate, that is salt and water. You can see here, this is a calcium hydroxide that react with carbon dioxide and form calcium carbonate as well as water. So you can see here, this is a calcium hydroxide, that is a base, react with carbon dioxide, that is a non-metallic oxide, and form calcium carbonate, this is a salt. okay, and water. Okay, I hope that all of you understood about these chemical properties. Okay, next is use of bases. Dear students, there are number of uses of base. Bases are used in paper factories, in soap factories, okay, and bases are also used for making bleaching powder, that is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is used for making bleaching powder. Okay, these are also used as an antacid to reduce acidity of our stomach. Okay, so baking soda, that is sodium bihydrogen carbonate, is used in bakeries for making cakes and other substances. These are also used as a fire extinguisher. Okay, so there are a number of use of bases. Okay, so I hope that all of you understood about physical property of the bases and about chemical property of the bases, as well as some usage of the bases. Dear students, in my next video I will teach you about pH. Thank you.